Destiny tell me about some of our past friends from the cheerleading team. She said them get good grades, you know, and then place them at low schools.
What?
Yeah.
So why them place them at low schools if them grades good? Man, I understand.
Them a say because of where they live, so them just place them at school close by.
So you mean say them not give the pitney them a fair chance for go to school them but they actually want go, but them a put them at school because they live close to the school? That don't make no sense.
That me I say. Me I pre say them give them 7 schools to choose, right? So them have 4 traditional high school and 3 low schools. But if you ever just take them and put them in any school, that don't make no sense.
It don't make sense you give them the choice. So that don't make no sense. You know what I wonder? You think them something happen at prep school? Or just because I want primary school and I want a lower class primary school? You know what? We need to go down there. We need to go down there to talk to them because we need to get to the bottom of this. This don't make no sense.
I agree with you. Just tell me one day when you're free and we just go down there.
Because we need to have a meeting. And the teacher them need to apologize to the class. If not, me I go straight down the ministry and me I report she and the dirty wig which I van.
That's it. Stop that something then, man.
Tell her to stop it with the wig. And she ain't even talk to. I mean you answering for?
No, but suppose that woman can't afford.
But she can't afford to take it off and wash it.
So why you not volunteer for do a year then?
Maybe we can go down there and have a meeting. We gonna have a meeting. Can you imagine we gonna have a meeting? Because I teach them about them wig. And maybe I look at 2 pay to the principal. Wait. We're big and serious. We need to go talk to them. For true.
Alright. We're gonna talk to them. So how you read the thing and go on? I realize say you do some interview and me and listen to you, but if you never tell me, I would realize say you.
I mean, I know we can't we're say people. Not going
But for real though.
I have speak is
where you
okay.
get that sweet radio voice there from.
Thank you. People are giving me that training stuff. Come up with the radio lines. Put up on party. From Angela to Radio. I like it.
Patty, nah lie to you. I'm really proud of you. You see which boy you used to do? Boy, may I tell you. It's a long way, but I see you move from your hairdressing thing and you add the other hand, you don't stop and you balance them well.
Thanks. Hey, you remember? Well, you never know me them time that when we saw the airport on the right side, and then me meet you, and then me in our shop, and then me and the crosses girl did the kick off, and then we go our next shop, and then me up at the shop here. Hey, we go through some things, you know. You know what it is?
That's why I tell you some rate, you know. Come see that in a long time. You're very determined.
Of course, we're very determined. Cause look at this time I forget you, Mr. Water Commissioner. Remember, we usually fix the pipes and the plumbing.
You mean the pipe that when you bust intentionally? You come back around here.
You didn't know about that?
Yeah.
Well, I use some of the determined thing. Determining one, determining get.
Alright. Well, alright.
Yeah, we'll go through some things.
You know, it's been a while since we really sit down and have a real talk like this.
That's true. I like when we're staying like this. You know? Miss them days then.
I miss them days at home. You know, say, no matter how we go through, I always think about you. I want you to know that. Especially the fact that you always did it for destiny. Everywhere.
Talking about that. How things with she and her mother?
Boy, I don't even know what to say now. But you don't hear from her now.
See, I don't know. You see, that's a problem with me have. Because she come in, she come out. And you know, so as a little girl, we need her mother. I can be honest with the Chris. You see, one of the main reason you know me and you're not together anymore. One of the main reason is because I understand where mother do to her. It's like she might not say it to you, but when she talk to me, I know for a fact she feel a way. So her mother show up, get her hopes up, and then she leave. So I feel like my dad do the same thing. So every time I have an argument, I just take on myself and I realize that get to her. So I know she need a mother. I don't know if I can be the best mother, but anything for that girl there because she have my heart.
Patsy, believe me, say, you did it for her more than her biological mother. You've been doing great things for her. She's happy around you and all of that. It makes you feel comfortable. So it's not a guess and spell thing. You are like her mother. Just continue the way I do.
Thanks. That actually mean a lot. Oh, before I forget, I actually get her something else, but I don't want you to get to her before weekend. May I tell you, please finish.
Patsy, I feel like we could try this again.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I feel like we know each other enough to make this work.
That's true, but I mean, you can just do it for destiny. More importantly.
But I think the two want the same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.